Hey guys, it's Michael here, and I'm stoked to share the top 5 high converting digital products on ClickBank in great niches like survival, DIY, and making money online. All of these products are doing insanely well right now, so you owe it to yourself to check them out. And you owe me a free round of golf for just checking it out. Plus, if you stay till the very end, we have a really cool new top offers cheat sheet you can grab that'll help you promote any of these top offers with copy ideas powered by ClickBank's new AI content tool, Ember. But for now, let's get to the offers. So here are the top 5 non-Nutra offers for March of 2025. And at number 5, starting us off, we have the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator from EPC Workshop. It's a digital program that teaches how to create a generator for electricity that can save thousands off your electric bill or pricey solar panels. This offer straddles the line as an alternative energy product and a green product, as well as serving as a survival product for those who don't want to be fully dependent on the electrical grid and gotta get away from the man, which means there's an actual broad audience out there for the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator. If you're sitting there outside of the US and be like, I'm not really sure, you need to come to the US to check it out. As an affiliate for the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator, you'll enjoy a strong conversion rate of nearly 1% and an enthusiastic audience hungry for this type of product. I promise, if you're from an outside audience from the US, probably thinking, what? I promise you. So let's talk about those numbers. It's got an EPC of 36 cents, an average payout value of $59.61, and a hot conversion rate of 0.76%. When we're talking these survival offers, you have to have the traffic that's attuned to them. It's not like you're gonna go on a normal paid audience and go and just like blast it out on a general audience far and wide. You dial in your targeting on this, but for those that do have the traffic, and we're talking like a news break, we're talking on native, we're talking email, we're talking maybe some of those alternative social media sites, it works super well. So go and promote it. Now we're gonna pivot. At number 4, we got something that is much different than number 5, and it's Rocket Languages. This is billed as the gold standard online for language learning with 14 languages to choose from. With over 5,000 positive reviews and a 4.7 star rating, Rocket Languages is a trusted industry leader with long-term earning potential. If you promote Rocket Languages as an affiliate, you can earn some of the highest commissions in the industry. We promise you that. Where else will you see a conversion rate of almost 6% and EPCs north of $4? Plus, when you generate even more sales, you'll unlock even higher commission rates and more perks. Now, let's talk about how you get to promote it. You have to apply to get whitelisted. Now, let me say that again. You have to apply to it to get whitelisted. You can't just go in there and start shooting your link as soon as possible. The reason why is they want to make sure your traffic works for what they're working for. They have and take care of their affiliates really well for this reason. If you're able to do that, it's a great program. It's worth it. It will make you good money, but make sure you follow the instructions of how to apply and to get started with them. So let's talk about those EPCs and why you want to jump through all these hoops for them. They got an EPC of $4.69, an average payout value of $88.85, and a hot conversion rate of 5.82%. This is happening on a wide swath of different types of promoting, whether you're talking social media, whether you're talking organic, whether you're talking influencer, whether you're talking email. The point being is you got to work with them though. You got to work at it like it's a collaboration. They're looking for that. And so try your best. Maybe you'll get through it. We're gonna take a little break here and we're just gonna talk about you. Yeah, you. I'm looking at you, Steve, from accounting in Minnesota. You're probably thinking, why is he talking to me, just me? Well, Steve, listen up. We were thinking about your ads the other day. We were talking about it in the break room. You're like, have you seen Steve's ads? And we're like, yeah, I don't know, man. It's like, he's working on it. Like, give him a little break. But wanna know what would give you a bigger break, Steve? Ember. Ember is our new AI tool that will help you create great winning creatives for ads, for your landing pages, so that you can convert more, make more money. And so we're not talking about you in the break room, Steve. Yeah, Steve, we're all talking about you in the break room and also severance, but that's a completely other thing. So click the link below. Everyone else can do it too, but especially Steve. So go check it out. It's amazing. We promise you, it's not just for Steves. Coming in at number 3, we have the Lotto Profits program, which offers a system for increasing chances of winning the lottery. As an affiliate, you can sign up to promote the Lotto Profits and get immediate access to banners, emails, PPC keywords, native ads, landing page options, and information on recent big winners. This product has the potential for super high commissions, and I'm talking an average payout value of more than $150 on this non-Nutra product. Yeah, on a non-Nutra product. $150. It features testimonials from individuals who have won using this powerful system. And if you have an audience who might be interested, go learn more about how to promote this and give it a test today. It's got an EPC of 69 cents, an average payout value of $151.26, a hop conversion rate of 0.53%. It's amazing. Go promote it. Now, at number 2, pivoting from something way different, we got Ted's Woodworking, which is still dominating our top offers in the number 2 slot. If you don't know it, man, you need to watch some more of our videos because this thing has been on all of them. It features a ridiculous bundle of over 16,000 woodworking plans that affiliates can promote. You can earn up to $125 per sale, enjoy a conversion rate of nearly 2%, and it's been here forever, since 2010. There are going to be affiliates in 3 years that were born after this was released. So as an affiliate for Ted's Woodworking, you'll have all the resources you'll need to be able to start converting, including multiple landing pages, email swipes, ad creatives, and tips and tricks of how to promote it. Do you want to take advantage of that? Well, go to their tools page. So we got the numbers here. EPC, $1.26, an average payout value, $75.23, and a hot conversion rate of 1.89%. I mean, damn, that's great. They're like, it's just a really good offer. It works great on a bunch of different sources. You just have to be mindful of when you're promoting it because, you know, there's certain times where people are going to be more active of wanting to do their hobbies. Around the spring, when people are getting out there, cleaning out the garage, maybe, you know, checking out those tools and it's warming up. Great time for it. Great time because everyone's looking at their backyard being like, man, I think I could build my own fence. This is the year. I mean, they're not going to do it, but that's what we're talking about here. Find people around their hobbies and go. So go, promote it, test it out. And last but not least, we have the number 1 offer for the non-Nutra offers, and it's Aqua Tower from EPC Workshop. EPC Workshop, that kind of sounds like a rap band or like a techno band from the early 90s, but they are pumping out some bangers, just like Technotronic. One of the top sellers for products in the survival niche. This program is a teaching program designed to help customers to produce quality, safe drinking water for pennies on the dollar. It's actually available as a physical book in addition to a digital one, which helps Aqua Tower stand apart from the mostly digital offers in the non-Nutra list. As an affiliate, you'll appreciate their fresh cinematic VSL, an ultra-optimized upsell funnel with low refunds, and you can even get commissions of up to 90% on this one. If your audience is at all interested in niches like survival, DIY, green solutions, or they drink water, then you might have a winner in Aqua Tower. So check out the marketplace to get started. Now let's talk about those numbers. We got an EPC of 62 cents, an average payout value of $51.24, and a hop conversion rate of 1.53%. As always, when you're like, oh man, the other one had a higher EPC and blah, 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 blah. Calm down. This is being promoted by a lot of people, but the top ones are getting much higher than this one. And we wouldn't promote it to you if we didn't know the top end of this. And the top end is great. So go and promote it and talk to their team and get started because it's a fantastic offer. Okay, before you go, if you're feeling a little sad, you're not ready to say goodbye. You want to keep this thing going between you and me today. Well, do I have good news for you? We just put together a brand new free top offers cheat sheet with a suggested hook for each of these products. It's all brought to you by ClickBank's new AI content tool, Ember. Just check the link in the description below to grab those for free and start promoting today. I mean, think of it as a parting goodbye, something to remember me, so that you can look at him fondly and think, man, Michael gave me those. Well, I didn't, Ember did, but you can say I did, and if you liked it, I did. You catch my drift? Anyway, like and subscribe to that way of thinking, and also like and subscribe to this actual channel because we need you guys. We love you guys. So like, subscribe, comment, tell us your thoughts. How my shirt looks. Doesn't my shirt look good? If it looks great, you say it. You say, Michael, that shirt, that's fire, man. You bring the heat. And I'm gonna be like, yeah, I did. That's my present to you. Anyway, we'll catch you next time. You know the vibes. Happy scaling and go make some money, y'all.